Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can turn off your vibration on Android. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start this video without any further ado. So to turn off vibration on your Android phone, you just go to your settings. So the phone I'm using right now is Oppo and it's an Android, so don't worry about it. And once you're in setting, you can go on sound and vibration, which is just above do not disturb for me, but it might be in different location for your phone because the setting in different Android is different. So yeah, but the process is the same. If you don't find it, you can just go on search and type sound and vibration though. Oh, sorry, sound and vibration. And as you guys can see at the top, vibrate when ringing or vibrate when silent. So we don't want it to vibrate, so we just turn all these off and boom, that's how you stop vibration. So that's it. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.